What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Now picture this. You just crafted a perfect cold email, but guess what? It never gets open. What do we do? And if you've ever done cold outreach, this is a very common problem. However, when it comes to sending cold emails, there can be two roadblocks in front of us. First, the person just doesn't answer to your email, right? They maybe opened it, but they're just not interested. And most of the time, in order to correct that, we actually need to change the messaging in the actual email itself. However, arguably the worst problem is if your email never gets delivered. And that's exactly where platforms like Warmy come in, because they can go ahead and literally warm up your email, and that way we can ensure that all of your emails are getting delivered. So whether you guys are launching your very first campaign or you're just trying to improve your existing ones, we're going to walk you guys through step by step on how to ensure that your guys' emails never end up in spam. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I am sharing my screen here. So if you guys do want to follow along with what I'm doing or even try out the platform for yourself, there is going to be a link down below in the description for a free trial of the platform. Awesome. So to get started, once we click on the link, all we need to do is just press start free trial right over here. And let's go ahead and enter in your guys' first name, last name, email address that we want to use, and the password. Let's press sign up. Awesome. Now we just have to confirm it in our email. So go to you guys' email inbox, click on it, activate your guys' account, and boom, we're going to be ready to roll. So let's go ahead and type in your guys' email one more time to actually log in. Alrighty. And let's go ahead and associate a phone number with our account as well. Now it's going to ask you guys a couple questions, and that's just to ensure that the system actually knows what it's working with. So we're going to be sending less than 1,000 emails per month. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Now, once you guys log in, here's how the user interface is going to look like. Now there's going to be a ton of different options here, ranging from dashboard to your domains, to your actual inbox, templates, to seed lists, to the email verification. But what we really care about is how do we ensure that our emails are not going to spam? So in order for us to get started, we first need to connect our inbox. So let's go ahead and press mailbox, go here to Gmail or Outlook or SendGrid, whatever you're using. I personally use Gmail, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. And here's where it gets a little tricky, so bear with me here. So first, we actually need to input the email that we're gonna use. Type that in. Right over here, as you guys see, it says app password, and that does not mean the actual email password. What this means is literally the app password inside of your guys' email. So let me go ahead and show you guys how to set it up. So if you guys are using Google just like me, go ahead and go to your guys' Google options right over here and click on this little button where it says your initial. Go ahead and go to manage your guys' account. Let's go to security and make sure, let's set up the two-step verification. I'm going to use Touch ID. Boom. So make sure that that is going to be on. Now let's go ahead and go back here, go to data and privacy, type in app pass, and it's going to bring you guys to app password. And right over here, go to app name, just type in Warmy, press create, and you got this generated password right over here. So go ahead and copy that, press done. Now you guys have that password for Warmy specific. So let's go ahead and go back to Warmy, put that bad boy in there, press connect, and boom, we're in business. Alrighty. Now from here, the way that Warmy works is it's going to literally warm up your guys' email. Now what this means is going to go ahead and send out emails on your guys' behalf to specific accounts. And from there on, is going to go ahead and reply to them. All right. It's going to click on the links in there, going to open them up and make sure that those emails are labeled as important. The reason why it's doing it is because if you guys have ever ran an email campaign from a brand new account and all those emails go into spam or people don't open them, they get labeled as spam. So the more emails that are opened up, clicked on, and actually read through, the more legit they're going to be and the less likely they're going to go into spam. Because at the end of the day, it's an algorithm. And how can you put something in spam if people are actually reading it, they're clicking on it, they're applying to it, right? You can't just put it in a spam. So that's essentially what Warmy is doing automatically for you guys. So you don't need to worry about a thing. So inside of you guys' dashboard, you can actually see the specific stats for this specific email. We can go ahead and turn the warm up on, and from there on is going to get started. But when it comes to our specific inbox stats, we can go ahead and see how many emails were sent today, received today, kind of mailbox temperature, right? How it's going, email deliverability. So how many ended up in inbox versus spam. And there are also other reports you can go ahead and pull that gives you guys action items when it comes to how many emails were in the inbox, promotion, spam, unreceived, and as well as like where did your emails actually end up in Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, Microsoft 365. You guys get the point. So right over here, as you guys saw, I turned it on. Can't do this right away just yet, just because it's actually checking our like actual current email reputation to see how bad it is and what we can fix. But from there, once it's ready, you guys are actually going to see emails in your inbox. Don't get too worried. This is automatically happening for you guys. And this is to ensure that you guys' emails are going to be labeled as legit. So I'd say that's the bread and butter of what Warmy offers. And we can go ahead and see that our email is right over here. It's currently in the warm-up process. And you can see specific scores when it comes to DNS, ISP, and different subscriptions you guys have. the other thing that I would check out is also going to be the template option here. And essentially the way that this works is we can go ahead and put a specific template or an email and kind of see what are the odds it's going to end up as spam versus it's not. So for example, let's say we're going to be sending a just generic text email. Click here on plain text. And let's say our template name is going to be here, test. Subject line is going to be promotion and free X, Y, and Z. And this is, we're going to have this be like super weird, right? We're going to check the template. It's actually going to give us scores on how it is, right? The subject length, word count, reading time, number of links, spammy word count, stuff like that. So of course this example is a little bit off-putting because it's not real, but whenever you guys put an actual email in there, it's going to give you guys feedback on your guys' subject length, how many words are in there, how long it takes to read it, number of links, question count, spammy word count, personalization. And from there, if you guys are going to be setting this specific template from your guys' email, you can actually see their specific performance from your guys' email inbox. And all you need to do is just go to mailboxes, click on your guys' email. And remember these charts that we saw right over here, you're actually going to be able to see how many emails were delivered, what percent in the inbox, and what percent in spam. And there are a ton of other tools that are built into the platform, like this email verification option right over here. And that's going to ensure that the emails that you guys actually have are going to be legit. However, the bread and butter of Warmy is number one, to actually send those warm-up emails, reply to them, label them as important, and that way your guys' emails are not going to be labeled as spam. And the second thing that we care about is to ensure that we can actually do this for a prolonged period of time, because you guys do not want to start out with a healthy email score and later turn to spam. We want to make sure that this is going to be sustainable, and if there are going to be any red flags that the system catches, it's going to let you know ahead of time. But if you guys do want to connect another system that you guys are using for sending out emails, we can go ahead and do that by going to templates, and we can actually integrate it with platforms like HubSpot or Monday, and all you need to do is press connect. So all the emails that you guys have going out of HubSpot are going to be double checked with Warmy. And the best part about it is that running Warmy is pretty much passive. Once you guys turn it on, it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's going to go through the warm-up process and make sure that you guys' emails are going to be labeled as legit. And in the future, if there are going to be any problems, it's going to let you guys know ahead of time. However, if you guys are interested in continuing that warm-up process that I talked about earlier, when Warmy literally sends emails on your guys' behalf, and there are people that actually interact with your guys' email, open them, right, mark them as important, you guys can go ahead and purchase a seed list that'll essentially do that. As you guys see right over here, a seed list is a collection of email addresses, each acting like a real person. So they'll literally open your emails in the browser, scroll through the content, click links, and this stimulates real life engagement, boosts sender reputation, and improves deliverability. So essentially, if you guys are running email marketing campaigns that are sending out thousands of emails, this could be a good idea. The reason behind that is that the folks associated with the seed list are actually going to interact with you guys' emails. So that way, all the emails that are going out in the email marketing campaign are not going to be labeled as spam. And there you guys have it. As you guys saw, when it comes to cold email, deliverability is everything. You can write the best email in the world, but if it goes to spam, it's pretty much game over. Warmy.io gives you guys tools to keep your email health in check, but at the same time to ensure that they don't end up in spam. And as I said before, if you guys do want to try out the platform, there is going to be a link down below in the description for a free trial of the platform. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.